Hi guys, welcome to another MTM video. Today we've got a Ford Fiesta that failed its MOT on a near side front wheel bearing. So we're going to go ahead and replace it. So this is the hub which has been removed. As you can see, we've disconnected it completely. We've taken out the ABS sensor because that might get damaged when we press out the bearing. And there's also this flange on the front which rotates then with the wheel. That'll have to be pressed out separately. So I've just used an old socket, the same diameter as the centre flange, so that we can just press that out the front. So this hub doesn't have a circlip holding the bearing in, so we don't have to worry about removing it. I'm going to use an old bearing and a socket that is the same diameter, so it distributes the force evenly, so we can just press that out in one go. So we want to flip the hub over, make sure the surface is clean and lubricated so that our new bearing can go in nice and easy. Just make sure that it's spread evenly. So out of the box, this bearing comes with a white protective sleeve. This is because it has an ABS ring on it. This is a magnetic pickup and it is quite easily damaged, so you want to take care when you're pressing it in and make sure that you're pressing it in the correct way so that it's next to that sensor. So with the ABS side facing down, I'm using an old bearing the same size and a flat edge on top of that to press it in nice and evenly. Before you can refit the flange, you'll notice that part of the old bearing is still stuck on that shaft. So we're going to have to cut it off, but be careful not to damage it. So with this flange ready to be pressed back in, we want to be very careful not to apply any unnecessary pressure to the newly fitted bearing. So you want to make sure that the centre race of that bearing is properly supported, otherwise you might damage it when pressing it in. And when you're all done, there's one final check to make sure that everything is pressed in all the way. And that's it. That's how you replace a front wheel bearing on a 2008 Ford Fiesta. We'll cover hub removal and replacement in a different video. But for now, I hope this helped you. And please like and subscribe.